Hi there, want to make new versions of any image, any vector you like anywhere in the internet to use them later for creating native designs in your print-on-demand platform. Thus, let me show you an amazing tool to help you more to do that. So, let's go. This amazing tool is the most recent feature on Creative Fabrica, that is Creative Fabrica Spark extension. By using this extension, you can generate brand new images by clicking a button. So first of all, you can head to this home page and this landing page and go directly to this green button, get Creative Fabrica Spark extension. Then you will be taken to this page to add this extension to your Chrome browser or to add this plugin to your Chrome browser. Therefore, you can find a blue button over any image anywhere in the internet, like on Pinterest, Google, or any other website. So for example, when you add this plugin to your Chrome browser, and we can head to Google Images, so we can look for anything to make new versions of it. So perfect. And here you can pick one of these beautiful images to create new brand images of it. So we can hover this amazing image, for example. Then you will find a blue button over this image with a call to action generate. So when you click over this button, you will be directed to Creative Fabrica Spark to generate new brand images from this original image just in few seconds. So how does it work? Simply, Creative Fabrica elicits this prompt from this image and sends this prompt to Creative Fabrica Spark, the mid-journey-like tool to generate images by artificial intelligence. So here you can generate a lot of copies from the original one just in few seconds. So when you click over this button, generate, we will be taken to this Creative Fabrica Spark tool. Okay, and then you can click over this green button, generate. Few moments later, you will find 7 new brand images from this original image. As you see, you would find new brand images from the original one that you have taken from Google or Pinterest or any other website. As you see, beautiful unicorns to create your related designs in your print-on-demand platform like on Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, Etsy, and so on, as you see. And to your knowledge, this amazing tool is also called Creative Fabrica Spark Image Mix. It's one of the latest features in Creative Fabrica Marketplace that includes Spark Art, Spark Patterns, Spark Crystalline to generate transparent images of any vector you want to generate here in Creative Fabrica, and Spark Sketch. And of course, and that way, and this strategy, Creative Fabrica pays more attention to print-on-demand designers, because here in Creative Fabrica you can also generate a lot of ad copies for promoting your designs and your products professionally on social media, like on Pinterest, Instagram, and so on, by using this amazing tool, Creative Fabrica Spark Writer. It's an amazing AI writing assistant like any other website out there, like writesonic.com, Jasper, Niches, and so on. Here you can generate a lot of copies for marketing campaigns on social media, full SEO, blog articles, YouTube business, and so on. And especially for Etsy sellers, you can find a specific section for them. As you see, like you can generate store name, store bio, product listing descriptions, product listing titles, and so on, only for Etsy sellers. And of course, you can copy all these templates to generate them for using on other print-on-demand platform like in Redbubble, Merch, Zazzle, Spreadshirt, and so on. So here you can find Creative Fabrica is a comprehensive website for anyone who is working on print-on-demand business. Here you can find a lot of ready-to-use designs in different niches, in different fields. You can find a lot of tools to help you more to generate a lot of vectors by artificial intelligence, patterns, and you can generate a lot of copies for promoting your designs and your products well on social media effectively. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.